With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello. So question says this: the temperature of 4 moles of gas, right? So the temperature of 4 moles of gas increases from 300 Kelvin to 500 Kelvin, right? So find the CV if delta U is 5000 joules, right? So let's start solving this question, right? So we have given, right? So we have given the 4 mole of gas. That means the value of N is equals to 4, right? So the value of N is equals to 4, right? And the temperature, right? So here temperature T1 temperature is the temperature T1, right? So if I write it clearly, so it becomes T1, it is equals to 300 Kelvin, right? So it is 300 Kelvin, right? And it is increasing from 300 Kelvin to 500 Kelvin. That means the temperature, second temperature becomes 500 Kelvin, 500 Kelvin, right? So now we have to calculate CV, right? So now we have to calculate CV, right? That means specified capacity at constant volume, right? So, and for this we have given the value of delta G, the change in internal energy, is equals to 5000 joule, right? So now we have to calculate CV, right? So as we know that there is a simple formula for delta U is equal to we know that delta U is equals to NCV, right? So is equals to NCV delta T, right? Where N is the number of moles and CV is specific capacity at constant volume and T is the temperature difference and delta T is change in internal energy, right? So just you have to nothing, just put the all values in this formula and you will get the value for CV, right? So here when we put these values here, the value of delta U is equals to 5000 joule, right? So while solving the numerical in the case of physical chemistry, just always put the unit, right? So you will be easy for this, right? So you will easy just to find out the answer, right? So here it is 5000 joule, right? So and the value of N is 4, right? So it is 4 mole, right? So I can write here as it is 4 mole, right? So that value is 4 mole, right? Now we have to calculate CV, right? And as we know that the delta T, right? So it's the difference between, right, these two temperature range. So I can say if I calculate delta T, right, so the delta T becomes T2 minus T1, right? So it becomes T2 minus T1, that means 500 minus 300, right? It becomes Kelvin, right? So it becomes 200 Kelvin, right? So it becomes 200 Kelvin, right? So I can write here as it is 200 Kelvin, right? So now we have to find the value of CV, right? So CV becomes 500,000 joule, right? So 5000 joule divided by 5000 joule divided by here it is 4 mole, right? So here it is 4 mole multiplied by 200 Kelvin, right? So multiply by 200 Kelvin, right? So here you can see this from 20 to 20 cancel, right? And it becomes 550, right? So 50 becomes 8 joule per Kelvin per mole, right? So if I further solve it, so it becomes 6.25, right? So it becomes 6.25 joule per Kelvin per mole, right? So this is the value of CV, right? So this is the value of CV, right? So now let's check the answer or options, right? So in the option A, this is not right answer, right? So option A is not right answer. Option B is 4.7, this is also not right answer. Option C is 6.25, right? So this is the value for CV, right? So for this temperature range, right? So the value of CV is 6.25, right? Option D is 8. No, this is not right answer. So we are left with the correct answer, that is option C, in which the value of CV comes out to be 6.25, right? So hope this answered your question. So thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.